You took me on the sweetest journey. You held my inner child's hand, walked me through insurmountable pain, grief as wide as the ocean. You got me into the expansive New England woods, healed me with your earthly connection, had me confront fears and old programming. You touched my wounds. You did not cover them up or play make-believe. You listened attentively. You showed me I have a choice daily to wallow in self-misery or get outside and walk through the mental barriers of my conditioning. You brought back my joy. You brought back my wonder, fascination, and curiosity. You quieted my mind so I could hear. The heartbeat of the unified field, and my heart opened and bled out as I wept in both gratitude, awe, and sorrow. My small, insignificant self cracked, little by little, chipping away the illusion of separation and shame. You allowed me to break. I suppose you knew that's how I would be born anew. 2015 was when our collaboration began on the heart's path, vibrant with lush green grass and wildflowers among the creek and forest, nature's fairy hideaways and elemental bubbling brooks. My inner child was free. Maiden was no longer desensitized, but sensualized, alive. Mother was supported, heard, and appreciated. Crone was the mystic and wise medicine keeper. Together we found our place in this body-mind, breath and bone. We found our home. You gave me something to look forward to each day. You empowered me and showed me the way. You were my constant companion. I could dance, run, skip, walk, crawl, and claw my way to you. Your only request was to come, bring my body back to nature, alchemize, harmonize, prioritize, remember, return again and again. You promised you'd love me unconditionally and reveal what was missing. I trusted you. Day after day, year after year, I met you. I met me in the forests, bridging Michigan and New Hampshire, Midwest to East Coast, family and self, love and loss, forgiveness and grief. It is now November 2023. 8 years cycling with you, consciously, somatically, faithfully, wholeheartedly, reverently. I may not know what to do or why, but I know where to go, and I turn towards you. Forest, fungi, fern, and moss, dryads, dragons, unicorns, angels, and fairies. Nature spirits seen and unseen, you lift me up and deliver me back to the earth. You calm my nervous system so I can just be. You are my muse within the mystery. I create through you. I bring it all back to you. None of this would be possible if it wasn't for you. I'll honor my commitment every day of this precious life. I'll return, embody, honor, and love you. You are the medicine, the oracle, mother, father, child, earth. I am reverently devoted. Thank you for this wondrous and magical opportunity.